Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this lecture we will discuss perfect tenses. So present perfect tense constructed with present of have with the past participle of the main verb. For example, present perfect tense is using the verb to walk. I have walked, I have not walked, have I walked. He has walked, he has not walked, has he walked. The present perfect tense is used to refer to events that have happened in the past at an unspecified time. It is not used expressions that specify the time when the action took place. For example, yesterday, last week. It is used with expressions that refer to an unspecific time. For example, lately, recently, never. A good way to think of this tense is that describes an experience I have walked rather than a specific instance of the experience. The word yet can be used in negative statements and in questions to refer to an action that has not happened already. The word just can be used to indicate that the action has been completed very recently. Use of present perfect tense to describe or inquire about an experience. I have walked to work. I have walked to work recently, but not I have walked to work yesterday. The proper form of that would be the simple past tense. I walked to work yesterday. Have you finished yet? Have you ever walked to work? I have just walked to work. To refer to an action that took place over an unspecified time period. I have studied to be an accountant. Have you ever learned to play a musical instrument? To refer to an unfinished action that should have been finished. Ahmad has not completed his studies yet. Ahmad has not yet completed his studies. I worked on this problem for most of the day, but I still have not finished it. Past perfect tense constructed with past of have with the past participle of the main verb. For example, past perfect tense using the verb to walk. I had walked, I had not walked, had I walked. The present perfect tense is used to refer to events that have happened in the past before another action or specified time. It emphasizes that fact of the action and not the duration. Use of the past perfect tense to refer to an action that took place before another action. I had been to Amsterdam before I went to Paris. I didn't want to launch because I had eaten a breakfast. I had only flown once before I flew to America. To refer to an action completed at a specific time, I had been to Moscow once in 2016 and returned in 2008 to work there. To refer to a period of time before an action took place, I had lived in London for 3 years before moving into a new apartment in Canary Wharf. So progressive tense we will discuss in next lecture. So for this we are concluding here. So thanks for your presence. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.